Politica all the way. Politica all the way. Politica all the way.
Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and those watching all over the world, magandang buhay po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang Politica all the way, and of course, I'm Jojo. Like I always tell you, it's interesting to have luminaries in our show, political, celebrities. Pero ngayon, parang medyo level up to the highest level na tayo rito. No? I'm just to name a few, no, highlight a few over things about her. She's a veteran litigation lawyer with more than 40 years. Our guest of legal practice. She's also a UP Diliman graduate, political science and law. Daughter of retired Supreme Court Justice Lino Pataho. Yan, for everyone's information yan. She's known to be lawyer for celebrities. And now I can go on and on with a litany of so many good things to say about her. But I think siguro pinakamaganda is the acronym na lang of her name. You know, because ang pinaka-issue of the day ngayon, friends, is the impeachment. No? And that's the hot issue ngayon. But it gets even hotter and more spicy because of her presence there. Watching her, ang kanyang initial sa LK. But she's both lovable and a killer in these proceedings. So, wow. Okay, let's without further ado, let's bring her in, our guest for this day. No other than the attorney, Lorna Kapunan. Yeah! Woohoo!
Thank you so much. I'm happy to be here. It's like flashback 20 years ago.
Oo nga. Oo nga.
We were both younger. You're still young. Now I'm older.
Hindi, isa nung una tatanong, anong secret, attorney? You know, we've been friends with, I've known you for over 20 years.
Over 20 years.
Yes, but you look, you have not aged a bit.
Really?
You know, you even look younger. Ako lang yata tumanda. Anong secret? May beauty secret. Yung muna tanungin natin.
No, I think it's inner peace.
Inner peace. Ba, maganda.
You have to be comfortable with yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Especially, well, for instance, you're in showbiz. Now you're reinventing yourself into this political serious thing, which I think is good, and which I think people like you with gazillions of followers should do. I think because it's time to educate our people. We're so lost in trolls, misinformation, and all that. So I'm at peace. I do social media, but I've stopped reading about myself because sometimes when you read about yourself, you believe your own propaganda, hindi ba? Parang galing ko pala, no? Until you're at home and you're at dinner table, and you're just mom. You're just a mom to your kids, your grandma to the grandkids. And now I have a great grandchild.
Great grandchild?
Yeah, I'm a family of boys. I don't have girls.
Yeah, that's one thing that's siguro that's why I gravitate to you also, no? Si attorney, we're a family naman of 6 boys. Alam ko, puro boys din ang...
Puro boys, yeah.
Kami naman 6 na lalaki. Kayo, sa iyo, attorney, 5.
I have 5 sons, 3 grandsons, and now a great-grandson. And I was mother and father to them because I widowed in 2001. So, alam ko lahat ng mga kalokohan niyo. So, and as a rule, as much as possible, pag nag-iinuman ng mga anak ko, when my kids grew up, syempre, drinking. Drinking, I say, you drink in the house. Bring your friends here in the house, so the parents will know that you're here and all that. And sometimes when they're drinking like that, I outdrink them all. Hindi nila ako kaya.
Well,
Ngayon nag-mellow na ako. Single malt na ako.
Single malt na lang.
Dati tequila, partner. So,
tequila talaga.
Tequila.
With matching kalamansi and lemon. Mabilib
tequila
naman ako.
And so they would challenge me, tequila. Siyempre, panalo ako. No? Even in my office, beer drinking contest, talo sila sa akin.
Talo sila, ha? Wow! Noon yun.
Ngayon medyo moderate na tayo.
Moderate na lang.
Pang social na.
Social na lang.
Single malt.
Single malt na lang, ha? Pero you still beer up? Kasi naman ako before, I used to, puro hard drinks naman ako before. Pero now,
Ngayon,
ano na lang, 1, 2, 3 beers. But I used to drink a lot also when I was
Hard,
younger.
I don't do a lot of hard, just single malt.
Single
And-
malt na lang. Yeah.
And they say, why
That goes
are
well
you
with
into...
tobacco.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
It goes very
we
well
used
with tobacco.
used to go to this place. Sadly, wala na. Kipling's.
Oh yeah,
It's
Kipling's.
a single malt cigar bar in Mandarin.
Yeah.
Before they tore it
Mandarin.
down. No?
Yeah,
So-
yeah.
And that's a nice place because there's a big sign there that says, leave your egos at the door. So, if you're the type na magdadala ka ng calling card, tsaka magbibigay ka, you don't belong.
You don't belong,
diba?
huh?
So, and
It's a place to chill, de-stress, not think about anything, take off your coat and your hats,
yeah,
and
that's
just
true. And that's where
converse.
that's where you meet real friends.
That's
Like,
true.
I'd like to shout out to Barbara, to Ernest, to Julie, and to Luigi. Hi there. Hi there.
Oh,
Okay.
especially in the world that na ginagalawan mo or natin, attorney, ang daming, you're just as good a friend with what they need from you, or with
That's
the
true.
need of you, no?
That's
Oh,
true.
that-
I think, and I have some friends as well, my age. We have many social circles, no?
Mhm.
And I have many advocacies. I'm in the Red Cross, World Wildlife Fund.
Mhm.
I'm now even happily the national advisor of the LGBT
Mhm.
movement, etc. I'm into environment. These are
Yeah.
advocacies. Along the way, you meet real friends,
Yeah.
friends
Right.
who
Like-minded people who
Yeah.
has the same
I call
advocacy.
it. I have shampoo days with them. It's your-
shampoo days.
no, it's your let your hair down days.
Yeah,
So I
that's
call
right.
it
That's right.
shampoo
Yeah.
days.
Uh,
Few and far between, but I'm sure you have this kind of friends, di ba?
Oh yeah.
Yung hindi mo
Oh.
nakikita ng 2 buwan.
Mhm, mhm.
But when you see each other, it's like
In fact, ano yan yung just a bit personal naman on a personal note, I had when I had my 60th birthday, I invited them all, some of my friends na talagang ano. And then out of the blue, I have not seen them in for quite a time. They all went naman.
yeah.
And it's nice, you know. Well, it's nice to have true friends, di ba? Like sabi nga nila, if you found a true friend, you found the treasure, di ba?
That's
Well,
so
they've
true.
also found the treasure in you because you're a
That's
true
true. I
Diba?
also have a group called Kumares. It's an
kumares.
eating group naman. So, mga kumares naman.
Mm.
And every time we see each other, mga kumares, parang Christmas kasi may pasalubong for each
Mhm.
other. So we
Yeah.
look forward to finding something. Siyempre, pag kumare ka na,
Mhm.
afford na nila lahat, no?
Yeah.
Finding something na hindi nila makikita o mababayaran. And that's nice.
Mhm.
That's very nice.
You know, I agree with you on that, attorney. Kasi, yung nakita ko we have friends na talagang super yaman sila, super powerful. Pero, parang nakita ko, para bang, there's something lacking in them na, Now, basing it on what you said, parang it's, the true measure of wealth, I think, is being able to say no and owning your time,
Yes,
No?
that's
na
true.
para bang kahit you have all these riches in the world, pero, I have to do this, I have to, ganyan. Pero when you own your time, and you pick your battles, and you pick your,
That's so true.
you know,
Di ba?
parang mas okay ka pa eh. They may have the billions, pero ikaw, ano lang tayo, chill lang. Katulad nga
chill.
sinasabi mo, chill lang.
Chill lang.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Kaya so
So true.
that's why you have this
Yeah.
bright, vibey, energetic demeanor that as soon as you came in, actually, nagbabasa ako kanina, naramdaman ko yung presensya mo.
Yung
dito.
aura.
Oo, yung aura mo, naramdaman mo. Do you
I
believe
do
in
that.
that? May mga ganun
I do. Because I guess it's 48 years in law practice.
Mm.
So when I enter a courtroom, people look back like this and they start murmuring, "Oy, si attorney ka po na nandito. Ano naman kayang celebrity client niya?" But to me, okay, talking about clients, there are no big or small clients.
Mhm.
All clients to me are big. Whether it's yung nanay,
Mm.
I used to guest, we used to have a show here, face to face.
Yes.
At makita mo yung struggle ng nanay na ang pinag-aawayan yung basura. Basura is gold,
Yeah,
no? apparently, people earn 50 pesos a day selling basura. That
Oh.
50 pesos a day will sustain a family of 5.
Mhm.
So you see the value, and you see the value of a nanay.
Yes.
We take things for granted.
Mhm.
We take things for granted, especially millennials these days. Their family is the iPad.
That's correct.
Di ba? And that's
no.
why you have-
Sadly, no?
You have that's why you have violence in school. Wala nang values formation.
Mhm.
So when I hear the news and I hear about violence in schools, my question to myself is, saan ang nanay nito?
Mhm.
Di ba? So
That's right.
it's a reminder. We keep reminding our kids.
Mhm.
But what we should do is remind the parents.
Mhm. That's true.
Remind the parents that, huy,
Mhm.
you are the parent. You are the nanay. You have to give values formation. Don't blame.
Mhm.
We're always blaming others.
That's
We
right.
blame the school. Okay, we blame the school. Why didn't you supervise my kid? Bakit walang security guard? Ba't hindi mo in-inspect yung bag niya na may ano? Bakit? You blame the school? No, you blame yourself.
Mhm.
Or we blame the iPad? No.
Mhm.
Paano nagka-iPad yung batang yan?
That's right.
Di ba?
So we have to go back to the very core of the problem,
Back
the
to
basic.
basics.
Kasi back to basic, kasi the basic, miski in government naman, di ba nakasulat yan, basic unit of government is the family.
Correct.
Oh, so
Correct.
kapag ka hindi tama yung iyong pamamalakad sa pamilya mo, magkakaroon ng epekto yan sa community.
That's correct.
Di ba? Yan ang, I think you're right there. Kaya, hindi sayang ang boto ko sa'yo, Torning.
Dapat binoto mo ako for
Oo
10
naman.
minutes.
Dapat yata, kung pwede lang lahat mga 5 o kaya lang baka
You only voted for me once. Dapat mga 30 million votes. Dahil sasabihin ko na lang, I value your quality vote. Next naman.
Politica all the way. Politica all the way. Politica all the way.
And growing up, my dad, no? We grew up in a very disciplined, loving and disciplined family, no? Pag sinabing 10 o'clock, you're back. 10 o'clock, you have to be back in the house, no? Nag-party ka and all that 10 o'clock. And then he would be there, Justice Lino, but he would be there waiting in the sala for the strike of 10 o'clock. And when you're there, like quietly coming in, would just say, how inconsiderate. Ganon.
Wow.
Because you kept him up,
Yes, you
because
kept
she's
him up,
worried,
right.
what happens
Right.
if... Yun lang, yung mga... And that's where I learned also in life, you don't have to say paragraphs and paragraphs. Even in interviews, I don't say paragraphs. That's where I learned my sound bites, actually. It's from my
Sound bites,
dad. It's from my dad. When he would say, how inconsiderate. Alam mo, galit na yun. Di ba? Alam mo
oo.
na you promised, you broke your promise.
Right,
Di ba?
Mm.
That's another thing.
Mm.
With my kids, never break a promise.
Word of honor should be there.
Never
no?
break a promise. Dalawa yon. Don't lie and don't break promises. Kasi if you lie, if lying leads to everything. Lying kasi leads to, you lie about your schoolwork, you lie about your grades, you lie about where you were, you lie about what you did your money. Lying talaga is basic. Look at all of these corrupt government
Yeah,
officials.
ay,
What are
nako.
they doing?
Right.
They're
Lying to their teeth.
Oh, they're saying, I've never stolen any money from the government. Oh, you can edit that out. Diba?
No, we won't. I mean, they deserve it anyway. And especially coming from someone as credible as you, then pwede, di ba?
Hindi ba?
F you.
I know. In fact, I even tell myself, family planning is okay, but some of these public officials, ang kasalanan, hindi nag-birth control yung nanay. Di ba? Kung nag-birth control yung nanay at nag-condom yung tatay, hindi na panganak yung di ba? At hindi nyo binoto.
Alam mo, doon ako natutuwa naman sa'yo. Attorney, with your intelligence and the level of education that you have, comes with it is the enormous patience for the feeble-minded people
I
that you
know.
encounter, especially dito sa ating impeachment.
I know.
Some of whom are friends of mine also, but to be
Kaibigan
very...
natin yan.
Ay, nako.
Kaibigan
Di ba
natin
tayo,
yan.
di ba?
Kaibigan
But to be
natin
very candid, alam mo, Tony, mga ilang days lang, yung mga 1, 2, 3 days, I was watching it, no? But after that, I lost all interest already. Not because I didn't want to get involved, but because parang, to me, parang it's a,
Yeah.
it's dumbing me down. And naaawa ako sa inyo.
Di ba? Kanya,
Di ba? And you have this
Dinadasal ko na
patience,
lang.
di ba? Pero now, I'm taking
it's
interest
fun,
again
it's
because...
fun. So, can you imagine standing there for 4 hours? That's why in one of the sessions, I did say, can we have to study the documents and so I can sit down for 3 minutes. Tawang-tawa si Cheese. But
Di
in
ba?
fairness, presiding officer Cheese is excellent. It's
Ah,
very
he's
good.
He's good.
It's very good. He knows the law. He knows the cases.
Mhm, mhm.
There's
He has done his research also.
very
And
good.
that's good.
It's
That's
very
good. Okay naman yun. Dapat naman talaga, he has to be prepared also for that.
Yeah.
Well, yung mga ganyan, if you have the likes of before, like maybe sina how do you think would they react? Like sila Tatay Nene, sina
Oh yeah.
Miriam MDS, yeah, and then how do you think would they be?
You know,
but-
preparing for this impeachment,
Mm.
I would, and my colleagues, no, my co-prosecutors, we would watch clips, we would watch videos of past impeachment, no. But what to me was very significant were the senators.
Mhm.
The senators, you had their Joe Arroyo, Miriam, Nene Pimentel, who else? Angara, Drilon, etc. The biggies, no?
Wow.
And you could see the quality,
Yes,
quality of the Senate, the high-level discussions.
That's right.
There, no? So, to me, it was a very interesting learning experience, even for me,
Mhm.
to see how senators could really could be value added. Kasi kung public official ka at wala ka namang value added sa bayan natin,
Mhm.
umutang ka pa. Ikaw pa yung umutang, hindi ba?
Ah.
Hindi yung ikaw yung nagbibigay.
That's right. Mhm.
We should rethink. We should rethink. And in a show like this is an opportunity for people to really consider what are the things that matter, no?
Right.
What are the things that matter? You elect public officials, they represent you, you pay them. We really need to rethink because to me, impeachment. How many impeachments have we had? No, are we gonna have another one
Mhm.
and another one and another one? And
That's
what does that say?
That's right.
That says that we haven't changed.
Mhm. In the last how many years, ano?
Yeah, because we blame our politicians, and I think that's wrong. We should blame ourselves because we were the ones that put them in office. Di ba?
Well, ang nakakalungkot lang dyan, attorney, is how do we, we've had this problem for the longest time, but I think parang gusto ng mga nandiyan ngayon, parang status quo because wala we're getting away with it anyway. Huwag na tayong bayaan mo na lang yan, huwag na natin i-pursue yung
That is so correct, no?
di ba?
Kasi ang mga sinasabi ng iba, pare-pareho lang naman, same, no? Same naman silang lahat. Ba't mo binoto si ganyan? Pare-pareho lang naman. At least ito, binigyan pamilya ko ngayon. Vote buying is not individual. It's by families. So dito, itong pamilyang to, ilan ang botante dyan? O 5,000 yan. Dati, 100 per ballot. Mga yan. Now, it is so serious a problem that people don't hesitate
Right.
to sell
Yeah.
their vote.
Yun nga again, on a personal note, the reason why I voted for you among others who are not known politicians, but legal luminaries, your law. One, legislative yan. You
Yes,
have to know
that's
your
true.
laws, di ba? You have to more or less get a really good grasp and background of what needs to be done in and put some legalities in it, no? So, you were top of my list, among others. Yung iba kasi dyan, kaya ako naiinis. Nakikita ko sa impeachment, or well, not some of them are not even very visible in impeachment now, but there's so many there na who has been there for what, 30 years? Or how many,
Oh, yeah.
And then they have the same, from the Senate, they go to to Congress, then go back to the Senate,
Yeah.
tapos sabihin nila, there are things that need to be changed. There are things,
Yes.
ang tagal mo na dyan. Di ba? Di ba?
Oh.
you!
You need to be changed.
You need to be changed.
Yeah,
Di ba?
exactly.
Kaya hindi ko sila, again, it comes back to us, to the
I was not
electorate.
kidding. I ran for the Senate. One of the things in my platform is abolish the Senate.
Really?
Yeah, I would say that, this Senate, if I get elected, I'll pass a law to abolish the Senate. Because Congress, for instance, you have particular constituencies, di ba? For instance, you run for First District of
Right,
Quezon
First District,
City, may constituency ka.
And you also have the party list, which in
You
effect
also
is
have a party
yeah.
list which is not community based but causa, advocacy based.
Advocacy,
No?
yeah.
Anong constituency ng Senate?
Mhm.
The whole republic? Who are they representing? What for?
Mm.
And then number two, so legislation becomes so expensive.
Mhm.
The House will pass a law, the Senate will pass a law. You have a super body
Yeah.
from both the
BICAM.
Senate and the House.
BICAM,
A BICAM, they will be the ones to come out with the law that goes back to the House,
right.
the BICAM version, and goes back to the Senate.
Mhm.
And then, in the end, it goes back to the
Right.
President. So, why do you need a BICAM?
Oh, that's true.
Which means that BICAM of select senators and select congressmen is even more powerful. Di ba? So, what for? In terms of legislation, I don't think you need a Senate.
Wow, that's very interesting, ha? Kasi ang lagi naman, ang kanilang contention naman yan, ang kanilang argument is because, it's it is a, tawag dito, a check and balances between the, Pero I agree with you. You can check and balances can be achieved within the House of
Correct.
Representatives, eh.
That is,
Diba? Yun na lang, eh. Kaya nga, ang dami nga nila dun, eh. Why would you... And would that mean that they're superior to di ba?
that is so correct.
Yung pa nga iniisip nila minsan. Di ba?
That is so correct. Besides, when you get elected as a congressman representing your district, you stop thinking local.
Mhm.
Of course, you start thinking national.
Mhm.
Because when you think national issues,
yeah.
they will benefit your district.
Right.
Do not go there and say, I will ask for basketball court in my area. I will. So you have basketball courts in the middle of a rice field. What the? But tapos, one of the things they will do, they will rename the street
Right.
to their name, di ba?
Right.
Or to their ancestors' name and all that. No, when you get elected naman, that is why, hindi ba sa US they say, I will talk to my congressman. I will talk to my... So, because meron silang dinadalang agenda.
Mhm.
But when you get to Congress, think national. For instance, if you're a farmer, don't think about fertilizers for your district. Think of a national issue, national irrigation bill.
Yeah.
Libreng irigasyon. Our farmers pay for water.
That's right.
Di ba? When we have typhoons every day, and yet we pay for irrigation. Some areas don't have irrigation. So act local, but think national.
Ganyan.
Okay.
Act local but think national. Yan ang sinasabi ko
Because
sa inyo.
when you think national, it will benefit not only your district,
Right.
di ba?
Oh.
Politica all the way. Politica all the way. Politica all the way.
I would like to use Quezon City as an example. No?
Okay.
As a good example of good governance. Mayor Joy Belmonte. Okay, Mayor Joy Belmonte, first, she was the first one to pass the Bawal Bastos Law. She was the first one to make it an ordinance in Quezon City.
Yan yung
And-
walang catcalling. Yun ba yan?
Oh, yeah, mga catcalling, yung mga, ayan,
Oh,
yung
okay.
mga, hoy, bakla ka, umalis ka dyan. O, mga ganyan. That's Bawal Bastos, no? And my point in pointing her out is, there are formal structures, no? So you have the barangay, you have the, etc., etc. But gumawa siya ng People's Council. She has a party list grouping in terms of a People's Council that oversees. For instance, yung women's group niya, part of the, yes, so in her People's Council, meron siyang women, youth, PWD, whatever, laborers and all
Yeah.
that. And sila yung bringing the agenda to their barangays.
Oh, okay.
It works. It's
Oh.
a
So,
system.
sa focus group, no?
It's a focus group.
Oo.
So yung barangay mo, kunyari you're in this barangay, no? Let's say Nayong Kanluran Barangay. The kasi corruption starts at the barangay level.
Yes.
Corruption starts at kabataang barangay. Hindi ba? Yung kabataang barangay na yan, you can elect a kabataang barangay na yan. Kasi not even old enough to get married. Ang marrying age natin is 18 years
18,
old.
right.
Eh. Tapos, pwede kang mag-elect ng kabataang barangay. Sinong nagde-decide? Di yung nanay at tatay niya. No? So, at a very young age,
Yeah.
corrupt na yung batang yan. Ano? And they carry their own agenda
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
barangay. So, as a watchdog group, yung People's Council will watch. I think, I'm not exactly sure how it works, but when I guested her, I used to have a show. When I guested her and she was telling me about this concept, I said, it's a good, it's a good model.
Right.
And the good thing, I mean, I'm very cynical, but I'm also very helpful. And there's now this group of mayors for good governance, and I think they're following that. So at the level of the mayors level, they're good mayors naman.
Even the way you said it, they're good mayors naman. Like my mayor, shout out na rin naman to Mayor June Inares, no?
Okay.
I come from Antipolo. So he's a listening mayor, not just a hearing mayor, but a listening one, no?
Oh,
Yeah, I
that's
think
good.
that's what's important.
This-
It all
yeah.
boils down to just yung sincerity and heart,
Correct.
no? But of course, you have to have some degree of intellect to boot. Pero kailangan din natin yung heart talaga importante rin, no? Kaya katulad ng sinabi mo, attorney, yun, it's a genuine concern for people
Correct.
na di ba, yung ganung focus group.
That is so correct. So we changed. We have structural reform. Then you have values formation. Go back to the schools. And the other thing is, we also need a sense of history.
Yes, that's
Wala
correct.
tayong
I
sense of
agree.
history.
Right.
Alam natin ang hero ng ibang bansa. Hindi natin alam ang mga heroes natin, ano? Unless yung hero na yan may pelikula, no? Like sino ba 'yon? Si Luna, di ba?
Yeah. Antonio Luna.
Yes. Unless may pelikula, hindi mo alam na, hero pala to, and all that. Because, sadly, even in my university, UP, tinanggal ang history, ginawang elective. Di ba?
Ganun na ba ang sa UP?
It's an elective. Why? It should be. And yet, when I was in the university, I had 12 units
Yeah.
of Spanish
We had 4 naman,
You had
UST.
required. So I said, why am we learning Spanish? Di ba? When ginawa niyang ngayon, I hope they've changed that. So, values formation in schools.
Values formation in schools.
Because your leaders of today were students in elementary, in high school, in college. I mean, yeah. And then, there also is value in not only mental, spiritual, emotional, but in sports.
Oh yeah.
Because sports is good.
Right.
Sports will teach you how social interaction is important,
Mm.
how you value preparation, hard work,
Discipline.
discipline, di ba? Sports is also important. We cannot be in the, no? There are some kids who don't, kagaya ng curtains nyo dito. Pag sarado yung mga curtains mo, you have no concept of night or day.
That's right.
You have curtains, they're in their rooms.
Mhm.
The curtains are blackened out, they're in their computer. Hindi ba? What do? In some instances, they don't even eat. So
Ay,
they-
nako.
Sometimes
I know,
you find
I know,
them,
oo.
hindi lang malnourished, na yung bata, may sakit na. You know, well, saan ang nanay doon, di ba?
Oo, that's true.
Saan ang eskwelahan doon?
Oo.
If that kid has been absent for days,
Right.
why didn't the teacher call the parents and
Right.
say your kid is all that? So, it is structural, it is values formation, it is family, it's a lot of things.
And it's happening now. Like yung sinabi mo na yan, attorney, like yung social media, it has its perks, it has its uses, no? Pero parang na-overcome siya or nagkakaroon siya ng, instead of getting the positive side of it, nagkakaroon pa ng negative side for those who are unable to use it responsibly. Di
Not
ba?
only that, it has been a substitute for communicating. Correct? So,
That's right.
Anjo, I'm sure you have a family. You
Yes,
have kids.
yes, yes.
Okay. You go to a restaurant. Let's say a Chinese restaurant, one whole table na ganyan. Pagdating nilang ganyan, upo. Kasama ni Yaya yung bata. What is the first thing they do when they sit down? They take out their
They
phones.
take out their phones, correct.
Instead of being an occasion for getting together and talking to each other, they're in their phones,
That's
looking
right.
at their phones, from father to mother to kids and all that. Even the yaya will give an iPad to the little boy or girl
Just to shut them out. Or
para hindi siya mahirapan
hindi maingay.
maghabol doon,
That's true,
di ba?
that's true. Oo.
So, that is your family unit
yeah.
now.
Are you like that with your sons and your
Bawal.
grandkids? Bawal. Ay, pareho tayo.
In my table, it's bawal in my table.
Ako rin. Ako, I always tell them na, sa amin, attorney, meron kaming the great hour of mercy, yung 3 o'clock.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, yung 3 to 5 na yan. Especially pag walang no phones, down yan, wala. Tapos Sundays, Saturday evening pa lang, wala ng phone. Yan.
Oh, that's so
Hanggang Sunday.
nice.
Wala,
That's nice.
wala yan. Ganon.
Me naman, growing up kasi, with my parents, and both my mom and my dad, they're really my moral compass. No? And people are saying, bakit ang tapang-tapang mo? Wala kang, you go around, di ka ba natatakot? Number 1 ka na sa hit list ng mga trolls na yan. You know, my father used to say, and before he was Supreme Court, COMELEC yan.
Yeah.
So maraming kaawayan, yung mga natatalong kandidato. And he would say, you know, if you have a bodyguard and they want to get you, they'll get your bodyguard first.
Yeah.
Your bodyguard, may pamilya
Right,
yung
that's right.
bodyguard mo,
That's
di
right,
ba?
that's
So,
right.
so I go around, I have no bodyguard. People, I also don't have a lalay, no?
But you have all the, kaya nga, you have this big, enormous patience for everything, no? Nakakatuwa every time. And I watch you and just smiling and this. Okay. Parang okay lang, chill lang, di ba?
Minsan, gagano, dinadasal ka na lang, Lord, kunin niyo na to. Mahawa na kayo, kunin niyo na po.
But,
Joking.
pero,
Joking lang
how are you, paano yung mga, naku, very, ano pa man din, pag ang anak mo yung mga lalaki, lalo, alam ko kasi growing up kami,
bawal lang. Well, in the dining table, bawal ang cellphone.
walang cellphone.
I also insist on bawal ang, what's this? Yung t-shirt, yung sando.
Sando.
Bawal ang sando. Bawal ang sando
okay.
lang. You eat your sando, you respect
Wow,
your food.
we're like the same,
Bawal ang
mga
sando.
old school. Kaya nga
Yeah,
sabi,
it's very old school.
yeah,
And
ako
then
rin, that's how I
my
rear my children.
parents-
My
My
children.
parents always said, always make it a point, Sunday is family day. So when they're still around, we had Sunday lunch, the whole kabudel, with my brothers and sisters and their families. Sunday lunch. And dinner was my time naman. So, to this day, my kids, and they're all grown up
Mhm.
already, respect that. So
That's
Sunday is always family day.
Ganyan din ako,
Ganyan?
Tony. Oh, exactly. Kasi that's how we were
You
brought
see,
up
that's
also.
why I came to this show.
Ganyan kami. Kaya lang, ang dinadagdag ko na lang, kasi I married very late. So my children are like, my eldest is like nasa 20s pa lang. Ganyan. And I still have a 14-year-old, no? So sometimes, syempre, they're engaged in all
yeah.
these things,
Yeah.
no? Sabi nila, that some kasi of my friends, they're not like into this. Because sabi, like ko siname somebody, old school is the new cool.
Yeah, that's true.
Kaya naman
I
they
like
embrace
that.
it also. Even their
like-
classmates now, nakita, oh, okay ba? So even the
Yeah.
classmates learn from them, no? Na mas maganda. And their friends, nasasabihin ba, okay itong ano na to eh.
I have a formula actually. My formula to myself is 20 hugs a day.
20 hugs a day.
You have to give 20 hugs, not for your inner peace and for your feel good thing. 20 hugs a day, not only to your
Coming
family,
from,
not only to your family, but to your office mates. And 20 hugs a day is figurative. It's not literal.
Ah, okay.
It's when you go to the office and your secretary says, "Good morning, ma'am. How are you?" Ano ba naman yung sabihin? Oh, kumusta ka na? Nabagyo ka ba? And all that. It's a hug. It's a hug.
right.
Or
Or vibe of endearment.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's or somebody gives you good work
Right.
and
That's nice, huh?
pinaghirapan yung trabaho, yung pleading sa court.
Mhm.
Di ba naman yung sabihin mo, hey, this is good work.
Mhm.
This is good work, guy.
Mhm.
So it's a hug, di ba? To your kids, my kids are so old. In fact, my eldest is already in his 50s, no, managing partner of my law firm.
Uh-huh.
All of my kids, I call baby. For the simple reason that I forget their names. Bago mo before you give the right name, na-enumerate mo lang, hey, Tukoy, hey, Marco, hey, yung pala, Choy ang pangalan, or Jay ang pangalan. So now they're all baby. Okay, so I say, baby, oh, baby, I love you. And then we're so open with, love you, mom, love you, baby, love you. Ano ba naman yung sabihin mo, I love you?
Right.
I mean, I love you, baby. So they feel that they're home and they can and 20 hugs a day is they can call you. They'll call you. They know that even if you're busy, they can call you anytime. My kids can call me anytime.
Oh, yun ang maganda
And you know,
communication. Oh.
I grew up like that. Like when I was starting my career, and my mommy would take care of the kids, no? And sabay-sabay, we lived in a compound. And she would put all of the grandkids together and say, merienda before lunch, merienda before
yes,
school. And my kids now remember that they grew up on pandesal with star margarine and sugar
Oh, and yes, on top. Tapos,
on top.
pwede mong ilagay sa toaster or ano.
Correct. Comfort food.
Oh,
Comfort
yes,
food
yes.
nila.
Oh.
So there was a sense of that's why the cousins now are
Very close also.
Yes, are very
Oh.
close. So there was a sense of family and extended families and all that. And so my mom would sometimes in the middle of a meeting, because they know they can call me, my mom would call me. My secretary would say, "Mom, attorney, urgent, mommy mo is calling." So you would think, "No, what happened to my kids and all that?" Then she would say, "Lorna, this is emergency. Your son needs number 2 Mongol pencil." Sa Ateneo kasi number 2, hindi pwedeng number 1. Number 2 Mongol pencil for tomorrow, emergency. I mean,
yeah, right.
so you're saying, mom, number 2. But to her, it's an emergency. There are no small or big things.
Right,
It's the thought that she can call you anytime.
Right.
Politica all the way. Politica all the way. Politica all the way.
we were old school talaga. Well, because we grew up in the 70s also and very young. And my father and my mother were really...
Don't you miss those days?
Oo
di
nga
ba?
eh. So, grabe.
And I
Maski
would-
mga tugtugan na to, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
Mga, katulad nung isang araw, kumakanta ako ng raindrops keep falling
Oh,
on my
yes,
head.
yes, yes,
Di ba?
yes.
Mga ganyan, di ba?
Ang galing.
Walang eh.
And
No?
then you remember that it was always a treat. Like,
Hmm.
I would remember when my mom would bring us to Central Market
Oh.
to buy groceries.
Yes.
May Central Market pa. And then we would sit there and our reward was palabok and halo-halo. Yung palabok,
yeah.
di ba yung palabok na naka-wrap pa sa
Mhm.
newspaper?
Sa newspaper na
You
meron pa.
remember?
Yeah, I
Di ba?
remember that.
It's
Yeah,
so
yeah.
much fun. And I remember those
Tsaka mas
days.
masarap yung mga pagkain sa kanto.
Oh,
Yung
yeah.
ay, malinis pa sila at that time.
That's true.
Well, I'm not
That's
saying na hindi na malinis yan, pero
That's
now you have to
true.
be a little bit careful because some people medyo just for the sake
I
of making
know.
money, nawawala na yung quality ng ano.
And then we would remember yung the treat would be Mamon Look.
Ay!
Mamon
Meron pa,
Look.
Tony. Yung
Meron
nasa
pa nga,
Balawe, yun na lang
oo nga,
natitira.
isa na lang eh. Mamon Look,
Mm.
AW Root Beer, mga
Mm.
ganyan yung
Oo, ay,
yung
right.
Footlong hot dog,
Mm.
tropical hot, etc.
Mm.
And these are the fun times. These are the fun. My God.
Oo
Yung
nga.
mga nakikinig, kung hindi nyo alam yan, yung mga places na yan,
Oo. Now you can Google it. Now that's the beauty naman of technology. They're able to
Yes.
do that. No, by God's grace, use it wisely and positively. Again, ito yung wow namin, words of wisdom. No, this time coming from our very special guest, Attorney Lorna Kapunan. Ano lang to? Quick ano lang, mga payo ito, mga payo. Words
Okay.
of wisdom. Okay. Payo sa niloko ng asawa.
Lasunin nyo yung asawa mo.
Lalasunin, ha? Lasunin.
Lasunin.
Lasunin. Okay. Payo sa lulong na sa sugal.
Lasunin pa rin.
Lasunin pa rin. Ano yan? Okay. Payo sa may kapitbahay na nakakabwisit. Lasunin pa rin?
Lasunin pa rin.
Lasunin pa rin, ha? Oh, hindi
Dapat
na,
wag. Pag kapitbahay,
kapitbahay.
wala kang choice, kapitbahay mo. Kapitbahay
okay.
mo. Patience na lang. Idasal
Patience.
na lang.
Idasal na lang.
Oo.
Oo. Na malaso ng iba.
Nalasunin ng iba. Ganun pa rin ang ending. Dasal mo na lasunin ng iba. Same
Okay.
ending.
Ito, warning sa mga bully. Yan.
Dapat isipin natin, yung mga bullies na yan, may problema yan.
Mhm.
They were either bullied when they were younger.
Mhm.
So wag nating tignan na kalaban ng mga bullies. Victims rin ng bullies.
Victims, okay.
So, wag natin lasunin.
Huwag natin lasunin. Okay.
Wag.
Okay. Mensahe sa mga korap. Sa mga,
Mga korap. Mahal ba mag-hire ng assassin ngayon? Meron akong
5,000 daw eh.
5,000. Okay.
Narinig ko 5,000 daw.
Sige. Siguro meron akong ilang 5,000 dyan. So mga mag-ingat kayo Kaya ko na rin mag-hire kung 5,000 lang yan.
Okay. Is there anyone daw, politiko daw na you want to get into a debate with? Is there anyone? Maybe,
Into a debate with?
or a cross-examine a politician?
None.
None. Okay. Now, this is what we call naman a name drop. Would you think of any name na pwede nating gamitin for if we were to put up a confidential fund? Like ako, I have, like ako, pwede akong mag-isip ng kailangan kong, Alan Peter De La Rosa. Ganyan. Do you have any name in mind that they could use that would be more,
Gusto ko pa rin sa Office of the Vice President, pwede bang hiramin yung ang dilim? Kasi talagang nag-click yung ang dilim.
Ang dilim.
Pahiram na lang, magbabayad ako ng copyright.
Okay. Ito na, ending segment, meron tayong dugtungan dito, attorney. Meron na. Completeness and dugtungan. Justice is justice ba is or
justice sa bayan natin ay justice.
Justice na lang muna tayo.
Justice na lang muna tayo.
Oh, yun na lang. Until we get that proper justice and the
Yes.
real justice.
Let's clean up the whole system.
And well, we have 2028 for that. Ngayon pala, so justice muna tayo until we get to 2028, di ba? What's your goals to, ano pala, Tony? If you were to sing now, what would you sing in a karaoke? I know that you, every so often, with your kumares,
If I were to, if
ano?
I would
Anong
sing
go-to
My
song mo?
Way,
My Way.
yeah, because
But do you sing that?
I don't sing that.
Oh.
But I would sing My Way because I hope people would do things my way.
Mm-hmm.
Di ba? At my age, I'm too old to learn tricks, new tricks. Sabi nga nila, I have a saying in life, you cannot teach an old dog
New
new
tricks.
tricks. So my advice is change the dog. Di ba? Yung sinasabi natin, yung mga political na yan, old dogs na, you cannot teach them new tricks.
Right.
What is the solution? Change the dog.
That's right. That's right. That's true. I agree with you 101% that.
So-
And I hope we are able to achieve that very soon. And if you do
Except
it,
that we never get my way or your way. It's always their way.
well,
Okay?
there's still hope. I
There
think
is still hope.
there's
There's
still
still
hope. That's one thing that we can, we can hold on to.
Yes.
You know, and I can anchor that hope on you.
Oh,
No?
thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you very much, Attorney Lorna Kupunan, on the politica all the way. Maraming salamat po, Attorney.
Happy to
Until the
be
next one.
here. Happy to be here.
Thank you.
I hope not in the next 20 years pa. Maghihintay ka ng 20 years.
But I'm sure you'll still be around.
I'll be
up and
around.
about with all the vibe and energy that you have.
I'll be
Thank you,
around.
thank you.
Politica all the way.
Thank you again, Attorney Lorna Kapunan. Okay, just a bit of recap. Sabi po ni Attorney na isang magandang payo daw po niya is family, sa pamilya niya, at sa mga politiko natin ay don't lie, no? And never break a promise. Importante po yan sa buhay. Sabi rin po niya, the Senate daw po should be abolished. And yung mga congressmen daw natin are enough because they just need to act local and think, but rather think national. Okay? And last but not the least, we are so like-minded kami ni Attorney. Pareho ko kami nang nagsasabi na ang justice system po natin, for the meantime, for the time being, is justice muna. Okay, dyan po nagtatapos ang politika all the way. Lagi nating dandaan, diskusyon, hindi po away, opinion, hindi po personalan. This is Jojo A. Peace and love.
Politica all the way. Politica